Hello students, welcome to Gitkan Digital Teaching System. I am a math teacher and today we are learning Countdown 3. So before we start our topic, I would like to advise students to effective learning and takes maximum benefits from Gitkan Digital Learning. So like and subscribe your school channel so don't miss any video. May watch multiple times video till you find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question is add the following. So simply you can add these numbers. So 6 and 1 7, 5 and 2 7, 3 and 4 7 and 3 and 2 5. So simply you can put the value one by one above the questions. But second part is 6528 plus 470. So simply you can put the number one by one and add these values. So 8 and 0 8, 7 and 2 9, 5 and 4 9, 6 and 0 6. So our final solution is 6998. Next question is subtract the following. So in subtraction, you can subtract these numbers. So we have question 4, 5, 8 and 2 and 2, 4, 6 and 1. So simply you can subtract these one by one. So 2 minus 1, 1, 8 and 6, 2 answer, 5 and 4, 1 and 4 minus 2, 2. So our solution is 2, 1, 2, 1. Number second part is 6776 minus 2187. So you can see that 6 is not subtracted from 7. So you can cut the 7 and make it into 16 and make this 7 to 6. So and 6 into 16. So 16 minus 7 we have answer 9. So again 6 is not subtracted from 8. So we can cut the previous value 7 and convert it into 6 and 6 converted into 16. So 16 minus 8 we have answer 8. 6 minus 12 we have 1 we have answered 5 and 6 minus 2 we have answered 4. So this is all about subtraction. Let's start our word problems of addition and subtraction. So our word problem is 3065 pupils live in village A and 5618 pupils live in village B. How many pupils altogether live in two villages? So he can simply taught you that 3065 people in village A and 5618 people in village B. Total you can find that. So simply you can add both values. So our value 1 is 3065 and second value is 5618. So you can add these value 5 and 8 13, 3 and in answer box and 1 as a carry. So 6 and 1 7 and 1 8 and 0 and 6 6 and 5 and 3 8. So total number of pupils live in a village is 8683. Next word problem we have subtraction word problem. So let's start. Question number 1. In a school of 1257 students and 629 have pets, how many students do not have pets? So simply you can find the student who do not have pets and total number of students are 1257. Students who have pets are 629. So simply you can subtract total number of students to students who have pets. So you can find the student who do not have pets. So total number of students are 1257 and total number of students who have pets are 629. So total number of students who do not have pets are 628. Next question is multiply these numbers placing them in the three different orders. Number 1 is 4, 5 and 6. So you can these numbers multiply with different number of series. So we can start with the series that given in the question 4, 5 and 6. 4 multiplied by 5 20 and 20 multiplied by 6 120. Next series we can start with 5, 4 and 6. So 5 multiplied by 4 20 and 20 multiplied by 6 120. So the both answers are same. And our third series are 6 multiplied by 4 24 and 24 multiplied by 5 120. So these three answers are same. Next question is multiply the following. So we can start with 6 multiplied by 4 24. So we can write 4 in the answer box and 2 we can write as a carry. So 6 into 4 again 24 and we can add carry 2 in 24. So 24 plus 2 is 26. So our final solution is 264. Next question is 123 multiplied by 4. So again we can start multiplying. 4 multiplied by 3 12. So we can write 2 in the answer box and 1 as a carry. So 4 2 is 8 and 1 9 and 4 1 is 4. Our fourth part is triple two seven multiply by 4. So again you can multiply one by one from the 4. So 4 7 the 28. So 8 you can write in the answer box and 2 as a carry. So 4 to the 8 and 2 10. So 0 we can write in the answer box and 1 as a carry. So 4 to the 8 and 1 9 and 4 to the 8. So we can answer it 8908. Next question is solve the following. So we can simply divide these values from the others. So we have divided 42 to 6. So we can start counting the table of 6 till 42 or lower. So we can start counting 6 7 the 42. So we have answer of the 42 divided by 6 is 7. Number B part is 16 divided by 8. So we can start counting table of 8. So 8 1 the 8 and 8 2 the 16. So our final solution of this question is 2. Work out the sums showing the remainders. So simply you can start the counting of table of 6 to 49 or less than 49. So 6 8 the 48. So 6 8 the 48, we can subtract 49 to 48, then our remainder is 1. So simply you can find the remainder in these questions after division. So number second part is 58 divided by 8. So 8 7 is 56. So we can again subtract 58 to 56 and our remainder is 2. So this is the method of finding the remainder. So students, hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and add the answer in the summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain the summer vacation learning. As 10 marks included in the final term assessment. Hope to see you next topic. Thank you.